Crouch!
Yes. Oh, Sanchez has to kick.
Yeah.
Oh yes! And the lightning! I got the lightning as well! Hey! Oh, look at that! Hey! Kevin! What do you think? You got the lightning as well! I've got a little television idea for Wales to talk to you about later on. These are friends Ken and Lynn.
How are you?
So,
That was brilliant.
so that was your first game, right? First game.
Valencia.
Yeah. And you got thunder and lightning.
We had Thunder Lightning on the field as well. Both the players.
Excellent player. Fantastic player.
Yeah,
Especially,
that was fantastic.
yeah. So
Warriors.
What
Little
position?
Warriors.
Right. What position were Valencia in then? Or Valencia in?
Top three.
And Sitges?
Last but one.
Right. So that.
This year we worked on defence and we kept them out and brave.
It was epic. It was epic.
It was epic. Great.